Tirar la toalla. Tirar la toalla. Tirar la toalla. What does this mean? What does this mean? Oh my goodness. I really like this one. Tirar. Tirar means it's a verb and it means to throw. To throw something. Okay? La means the, feminine, by the way. The toalla. Toalla is a feminine noun, and that's why we're saying la. Okay? Toalla means towel. To throw the towel. Okay, let's see the meaning of this. This means to give up. To give up. Sad, sad. To give up. So, there's different ways to say to give up in Spanish. One way is to say tirar la toalla. Okay, so once again, this is not a literal thing. Okay, it's not a literal thing. We're talking about giving up. In Spanish, you can say rendirse. Rendirse means to give up as well. Darse por vencido. So there's a few ways to say this. We can talk about that in a future video, in a future stream. But today, let's just focus. Let's focus on this phrase. Tirar la toalla. Tirar la toalla. Now, let's look at some examples using this peculiar, I'm saying peculiar too many times. I'm sorry. This unique phrase. Okay. The first, there you go. The first example is, tiré la toalla después de muchos intentos. Tiré la toalla después de muchos intentos. This means I gave up after so many tries or attempts. It happens. It happens. You're trying too many times and you're like, you know what? I give up. So, I mean, it happens. It happens. And you can use the phrase tirar la toalla for that situation, in that situation. Let's break this down really quickly. Yo tiré. We don't need yo, but we need tiré, okay, the verb. Tiré means I threw. Tiré la basura. I threw away the garbage, or I threw the garbage, okay? Tirar has quite a few uses, but as a phrase, tirar la toalla. Tiré la toalla means I gave up. Past tense, priority tense, okay? Después means after. When you say después de, you're adding more to the sentence, okay? Después de comer, me duermo. After eating, I sleep. I take a nap, I go to bed, okay? Dormir is another verb, another good one that means to sleep, to go to bed. So if you want to add more to the sentence and you're using the word después, just remember that you can use the después de. Muchos means so many. It could mean many as well. Muchas naranjas, many oranges. Muchas estrellas, many stars, okay? So muchas is feminine, muchos masculine, means so many. Intentos means attempts, it means times when doing something, many times, or also tries, okay? So, tiré la toalla después de muchos intentos. I gave up after so many tries. Okay? Excellent. Excellent. Let me tell you that the verb tirar, which means, again, to throw or throw away, is a regular verb. So you don't have to worry about, oh my God, it's so irregular, I don't know its conjugation. So don't worry about that. It follows the grammatical rules when conjugating Spanish verbs, so don't worry about that. Yo tiro, tú tiras, él tira, nosotros tiramos, and so on. So it's an easy verb to conjugate. Now, let's look at the next example using this, using, hang on a second, something happened here. Using tirar la toalla. Okay. Tirar la toalla. Let's see. No tires la toalla. No tires la toalla. Tú puedes. Ten paciencia. No tires la toalla. Tú puedes. Ten paciencia. So this means don't give up. You can do it. Be patient. Wow, this is very positive. I like it. Okay, so let's break this down. No tires. Tú no tires la toalla. We don't need tú. The personal pronoun tú, which means you, but we need the rest. We need the verb, we need the phrase, and if we are going to make it, if you want to say don't do something, you just need to add no before the phrase. No tires la toalla. Don't give up, okay? Don't give up. Tú, by the way, tú needs an accent mark. Tú puedes, okay? This phrase, tú puedes, we need tú in that phrase there because it's just an expression, tú puedes, that means you can do it, okay? It's very similar to saying that. Tú ten paciencia. Now, we don't need to here. If you want to remember this phrase, ten paciencia, that means be patient, okay? Be patient. Ten paciencia. Be patient. No tires la toalla. Tú puedes. Ten paciencia. Don't give up. You can do it. Be patient, okay? So this is a great phrase, tirar la toalla. Once again, it means to give up. It's very similar to saying to give up. I don't know why to throw the towel. Maybe it's something related to sports. I don't know. But tirar la toalla is a common phrase that means to give up in Spanish.